Okay, welcome back, Keystone students. In this video, we're going to pick up with example 3. All right, so this one, we're just going to take our graph and look to create a table. So you can pick any points that you want. I'm going to pick this point right here, this point right here, and this point right here. You can pick any 3 points that you want. I just picked 3 nice points. So those x values are 0, 1, and 2. With the x value is 0, the corresponding y value is 1. When y is 1, our x value is 3. Oh, sorry, when x is 1, our y value is 3. And at 2, our y value is going to be 5. So in each case here, our slope is going, or it's going up by 2. That makes sense because our slope is up to right 1, up to right 1. So that's going to be our slope. So I'm going to say y equals our slope, which is 2x, right? Because that 2 is the number that the y values go up by each time. And our y-intercept is going to be 1. That's our starting value, or what's going to happen when x is 0. So our rule, or the equation, right? A rule is just another word for equation, is that y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, we'll find an expression that we can use to determine y based on the x values here. Right, so essentially we have to find our slope. So if we look here, we're going to go up by 3, and our x values go up by 1. Right, so when we talk about slope, it's going to be the change in our y values. This little triangle here means change over the change in our x values. So we're going up 3, and our x values are going up 1. So our slope is just going to be 3. So we're going to start with y equals 3x. That's our slope. Then we have to find our 0 value. So when x is 0, our y value is 2. So our equation is going to be y equals 3x plus 2. So that concludes the video for chapter 3, or lesson 13 here. So then at this point, go ahead and do the check for understanding. I'd like you to get a minimum of a 4 out of 5, but ideally you're going to get a 5 out of 5, and then you can pick up your homework from the substitute.